we start with painting the ceiling, and the reason we do this is that if we spill any paint onto the walls or any of the other woodwork, these can be covered over at a later stage. We then paint our walls, the window frame, the window sill, the skirting boards, and lastly the door, working our way out of the room to avoid touching any wet paint. Do the edges where the ceiling meets the wall in one go. If you don't do it all at once, you could get a band around the edges where the paint dries at different times. As we'll be doing the walls next, we don't need to worry about getting paint on.
Now we've done the cutting in, it's time to paint the rest with a roller. And when painting a ceiling, always use an extension pole. It saves your neck and saves you bending up and down. Also, it's much safer than going up and down on the ladders.
Start above the window and paint across in overlapping bands. If you want to take a break, wait until you've done the whole ceiling and not halfway through, as you're less likely to miss a bit. Experiment with how much paint to put on the roller. Too much and it'll spray everywhere. Too little and it won't give you good coverage. You will get some spray with a roller, so wear old clothes and make sure your carpet is well covered. Right, that's the first coat done. We'd always suggest, however, to do 2 coats of emulsion on your ceiling. This will add a little bit more depth and a more lasting finish.